Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the trigonometric functions. And these trigonometric functions, mainly we have six types of trigonometric functions in mathematics. And that is sin theta and cos theta and tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, and the last one is cot theta. And also we have to remember the formula of cosecant theta. What is that? That is the reciprocal of sin theta. That means cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta. And also we have to remember the formula of secant theta. What is the secant theta formula? It's nothing but reciprocal of cos theta. That means secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. And the last one is cot theta. Cot theta is also nothing but the reciprocal of 1 by tan theta. Mainly we have to remember that these three formulas, that means sin theta, cos theta and tan theta, are the important formulas in trigonometric functions. So once we find these three formulas angles, and easily to identify that cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. So now let us solve the table. So initially we have to write 0 by 4 and 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, and last one is 4 by 4. Before that we have to apply the roots for all these digits. And now 0 by anything 0 and square root of 1 by 4. And now we have to solve about this is one value is root 1 is always equal to 1. And what is the value for root 4? Root 4 is nothing but 2 whole square. So that square root are get cancelled. The remaining equation is 2. And this is 2 ones are 2 twos are. What is that? 1 by root 2. And what is this? 3 by 4. Square root of 3 by 4. And now same 4 equal to 2 whole square. The square root get cancelled. And what is the remaining equation? Root 3 by 2. This is 4 by 1. 4 ones are 4 ones are. So what is final answer here? 1. So these are all the sign values. First is 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and last one is 90 degrees. So we have to written in these planes. First one is 0 degrees, second one is 1 by degrees, third one is 1 by root 2, fourth one is root 3 by 2, and the last one 90 degrees is 1. So these are the sign values from, and these are the sign values from 0 degrees to 90 degrees. What are they? 0 degrees is 0, 30 degrees sin 30 equal to 1 by 2, sin 45 degrees equal to 1 by root 2, sin 60 degrees equal to root 3 by 2, sin 90 degrees equal to 1. So we want and also we find the cos values by reversing the sin values. That means here 0 we have, and it comes from last column, and 1 by 2 it comes from sin 60 degrees value, and 45 degrees as it is 45 degrees, and cos 30 degrees equal to sin 60 degrees, that means root 3 by 2, and last one is always 1. So these are the values of cos theta. And let us find the tan theta values. Tan 0 degrees. Before going to tan, we have to, and we should remember that tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. This is the one of the important formulas in trigonometric equations and also trigonometric functions. What is that? Initially 0 by anything. So before going to tan 0 degrees is 0 by anything 0, and also now here tan 30 degrees equal to 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. So this is the equation. So this is the equation for tan 30 degrees equal to, so, and these are the values of tan 30 degrees, that equal to 1 by 2 by square root of 3 by 2. And this is tan 30 degrees equal to, here this is the reciprocal from going to upside, that means 2 by root 3. 2 get cancelled. What is the value of tan 30 degrees equal to 1 by root 3. So this is the value for tan 30 degrees. What is this? 10 by 1 by root 3. And same tan 45 degrees. What is that? 1 by 2, 1 by 2. The root 2 get cancelled. Here we have 1. What is tan 60 degrees? Tan 60 degrees equal to root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. And now this is reverse from. That means tan 60 degrees equal to root 3 by 2 into 2 by 9. 2 get cancelled. Tan 60 degrees equal to root 3. So this is the answer. We have to replace is root 3. And now tan 90 degrees equal to 1 by 0. So 1 by 0 is not defined, so we have to write it as infinite. Now these are the values for tan theta. Now we have to find or now we have to identify cosecant theta values. What is mean by cosecant theta? Previously we are all very known about cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta. So let's written as cosecant theta. Cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta. Now replace theta values 0 degrees to 90 degrees and we get cosecant 0 degrees equal to 1 by sin 0 degrees. Cosecant 30 degrees equal to 1 by sin 30 degrees. Cosecant 45 degrees equal to 1 by sin 45 degrees. Cosecant 60 degrees equal to 1 by sin 60 degrees. Cosecant 90 degrees equal to 1 by sin 90 degrees. And now 1 by sin 0 degrees, it always written as infinite. And also cosecant 30 degrees equal to 1 by sin 30. What is sin value? Sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 1 by 2. So 1 into 1 by 2, that equal to 2. 2 is the answer. 1 get cancelled. This is a reciprocal. It goes up down. This one will be 2. So what is the value of cosecant 30 is 2 degrees. And what is cosecant value? 45 degrees equal to 1 by sin 45 degrees. So what is the sin 45 degrees here? 45 degrees equal to 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2, that equal to root 2. So cosecant 45 degrees value is root 2. And also cosecant 60 degrees. What is sin 60 degrees? Sin 60 degrees nothing but root 3 by 2. That means, so 2 by root 3. Now written as 2 by root 3. So 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. So these are the values of cosecant theta. Now we have to go with the finding of secant theta values. What is mean by secant theta? Secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. Now we have to find secant theta values. What is mean by secant theta? Secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. Secant 0 degrees equal to 1 by cos 0 degrees. Secant 30 degrees equal to 1 by cos 30 degrees. Secant 45 degrees equal to 1 by cos 45 degrees. Secant 60 degrees equal to 1 by cos 60 degrees. And finally secant 90 degrees equal to 1 by cos 90 degrees. So these are the values of secant theta values. Now written original values. Secant theta equal to 1 by cos 0 degrees. Here we have cos 0 degrees equal to 1 by 1, that equal to 1. And also we have secant 30 degrees equal to, here what is the value of cos 30 degrees? 1 by root 3 by 2. So equal to, it becomes 2 by root 3. So this is the value of cos 30 degrees. Now we have to find secant 45 degrees. That means 1 by cos 45 degrees. What is the value of cos 45 degrees? Is nothing but 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2. Here it becomes reverse. That means root 2. And also secant 60 degrees equal to 1 by cos 60 degrees. What is the value of cos 60 degrees? Cos 60 degrees 1 by 2. So it will be reverse from the given. That means 2 by 1 equal to 2. And also what is the value of cos 90 degrees? Cos 90 degrees is nothing but 0. So 1 by 0. What is means 1 by 0? 1 by 0. So it becomes 0 by 1. So what is there? 0. These are the secant values of trigonometric functions. 1, 2 by root 3 and root 2 and 2. Last one is 0. So these are the secant values of trigonometric functions. And last one is cot theta. And next one is cot theta. That means 1 by tan theta. Same as it is cos 0 degrees equal to 1 by tan 0 degrees. Cot 30 degrees equal to 1 by tan 30 degrees. Cot 45 degrees equal to 1 by tan 45 degrees. Cot 60 degrees equal to 1 by tan 60 degrees. Cot 90 degrees equal to 1 by tan 90 degrees. So first of all we have to find what is the value of tan 0 degrees. Now 1 by, what is the value of tan 0 degrees is 0. Now it becomes infinity. Now we have to find cot 30 degrees. What is the value of tan 30 degrees there? Tan 30 degrees equal to 1 by root 2. So that means 1 by root 3. And that is equal to the root 3. and cot 45 degrees. What is tan 45 degrees? Nothing but very already well known about tan 45 degrees is 1. 1 by 1 equal to 1. Now going to cot 60 degrees. What is the value of tan 60 degrees? Tan 60 degrees is nothing but 1 by root 3. So this is the 1 by root 3. What is the cot 90 degrees value? Cot 90 degrees is nothing but 1 by tan 90 degrees. What is the value of 90 degrees? Tan 90 degrees equal to infinity. Value of tan 90 degrees. Tan 90 degrees equal to infinity. So we already 1 by infinity equal to infinity. So now return the values of cot values is what are they? First one is infinity, second one is root 3, and tan 45 degrees equal to 1, and tan 60 degrees equal to 1 by root 3, and last one is also infinity. So these are the table values of trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions.